afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Stephanie Ramirez, and I am defending Alex Palmer.
My name is William Erickson. I will be directing Detective Dana Brown.
Please be seated.
The mock trial competition is an academic competition for high school students where they compete at the countywide, statewide, and nationwide level. The competition places the students into a court situation with a hypothetical case.
My name is Alicia Santos, and I am the counsel for Alex Palmer.
And in this situation, the students play different roles. They play the roles of lawyers, witnesses, bailiffs, and clerks.
I think it's a really great opportunity to see the different careers you can pursue in the justice system, and it's also a really good experience. You get really close to the people that are on your team, and it's a really good bonding experience as well.
It gives the kids real life opportunities. I mean, because these kids are pretending that they are these people, and that kind of experience is unbeatable.
Isn't it true that you arrived late to the party the night of the murder?
I don't know. I would not know about that.
4 months before the competition, the various school teams are presented with the same criminal case law hypothetical. Then, over the course of the next couple of months, they practice with their teachers and their attorney volunteer coaches.
We pair up with the different high school teams. We go out, work with them on the fact patterns, understanding how the legal process works, how to put together a case, how to come up with questions, what objections are. And we take them through the preparation for the trial and help them get ready for the competition.
She showed London how to use the gun.
Your Honor, though it is not in her statement, she was the one doing it, so I would assume that she would have knowledge of it.
Let me take your arguments under submission for a moment and I'll rule on it.
The most difficult part for getting ready for this competition would probably have to be making the questions, because there's a lot of loopholes that you can go through, that the defense could go through, that the prosecution could go through, and making these questions so the person has to give you what you want, and that's probably the hardest part of it, because there could be parts in your structure of your sentences where they could go off topic or something like that, and it's just really hard to catch them.
Once they get in here and they have the witnesses speak and they have the objections made, they have to think on their feet and they have to be prepared for whatever a trial is going to present them, just like in real life.
Did you read the message?
Yes, I did.
What does this message say?
It said something like, "Darling, don't quote me exactly, but darling, I can't wait till LD's out of the picture."
It's really interesting to watch the teams strategize. It's a multi-level competition. The teams have the opportunity to play both the defense and the prosecution. Then the top-scoring teams go head-to-head to compete against each other in the finals. It's really a lot of fun to watch.
And we're really happy with how our team has been doing. I can't even express. I'm so excited for this upcoming trial.
On the exhibits.
The trials are about as real as it gets. Superior Court judges preside over the competition, and attorneys score the teams in their trial work.
Mr. Palmer, is this approximately where your car was parked? And are you also aware that you were seen here after 11 p.m. when you said you were home?
Yes.
You are aware of that? And do you have any explanation for why you were seen there?
I have been leaving the house
At 11 p.m.?
at around 11 p.m.
Thank you. No further questions.
When you missed an objection and went, we have all been there and done exactly that. And you made some really good objections, and you're listening to the form of the question, which is really important.
It amazes me how well prepared they are, that they come in here, that they have really studied and learned an incredibly complex set of facts, difficult concepts in the law, and they come in here and apply the facts to the law just like they're supposed to. And to be able to look as comfortable as they did, is just amazing. It's just amazing. And from the attorneys to the witnesses to the court personnel, they all have their jobs to do, and they've just really very impressive job.
In college, I guess we did some political science, but really there wasn't anything like this even then. It's great how far it's come.
I mentioned to the kids, the law ends up being a bulwark in terms of protecting people's rights, ensuring that people's rights are afforded. And so because it's important to have our young become interested in this area, it's my pleasure and it's my honor to be involved in this process.
The courts have established the precedent that when faced with new scientific techniques, their reliability must be shown.
The students really gain a lot through this program. They develop their analytical skills, they sharpen their communication skills, and they really leave with an understanding of the judicial system.
Qualities that you get from this program, I would guess leadership qualities, because it takes a person to organize everything. It also takes responsibility, and it takes integrity, and actually kind of takes courage too, for standing up in front of all those many people and asking questions and having the judge talk to you about it, having other people spring stuff on you. It's just very different.
The opportunity to be in a courtroom, the opportunity to be other students who are pushing themselves mentally, who are challenging themselves, is something that you want to expose students to, something you want to model. And you want to start with your freshmen, bring them in, have them be a support, and then maybe groom them to become lawyers and the witnesses, because it's an opportunity to really grow and push yourself to do some higher order thinking skills.
Taking into consideration that Alex Palmer is a gardener, the substances found on his shirt, aren't they substances a gardener uses daily?
Objection, Your Honor. It's a leading question.
I think it's an excellent program. I judged here last year at the program and found the students to be fascinating and excellent. I mean, they're better than some attorneys that appear in front of me in court, I tell you. And I can't imagine the hard work and dedication that they put into this to get prepared for it.
The winning team goes on to the statewide competition and has the opportunity to proceed to the national level.
It's a wonderful experience. So inspiring to see these high school students work so hard and do an amazing job with these facts, understand the legal process, the law, the cases. They all really participated, and I was very impressed.
If someone asked me if they should do the mock trial competition, I would say of course. I mean, at first you're going to be scared, you're not going to know what to say, you're not going to know what to do, but it's all part of growing up. If you don't try things, you're never going to know if you like it, so it's worth trying.
Definitely. It has a lot of benefits, and it's a fun opportunity, and you get to interact with a lot of people and learn a lot of new things.
One in a lifetime experience. It's really helpful, really exciting, and lots of fun, so I say do it.
This is truly a worthwhile program. We invite schools, teachers, and students to join us in the San Diego County High School Mock Trial Competition. We promise you that it is a program that will have a lasting impact on all participants.
I think it's a great opportunity. I've enjoyed working on this case, and honestly, I don't think I could have asked for something better to do my senior year.